We drove out here to acquire the Jeep, 40 minutes or so. I just came because I needed to get some groceries at Walmart. What a beautiful vehicle. We got a Barbie Jeep. We have a 6 horsepower, log splitter engine and some tube steel. What could go wrong? Ta-da! Tis a keyway.
So we got the wheels on.
The good news is this stool has our front wheels attached. On this segment, we're gonna transform a $6 Harbor Freight wheel into something that I don't think will kill us when we try and ride the Jeep. We seated a tapered roller bearing into here, where we've got ourselves a thrust bearing riding on that ground race. And we can basically sandwich these guys together. Oh, rip.
We got the steering in with the linkage system in. Back here, we got our rear sprocket. That was already there, but now we have proper hydraulic brakes straight from China. The engine's gonna sit right down there. We can take this seat and basically put it right there.
Filling up your car, Trenton?